Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hi everyone! It's been a little bit.
It has.
It's been a little bit of time. You guys, we hope you're all staying safe out there. This is just crazy. It's all so crazy.
It's a crazy time. And we've been homeschooling and been around each other a lot. Which has been challenging. No, it's been fine. We've been fine.
It's been fine. Although I don't need to be teaching 5th grade math.
No.
I shouldn't be teaching 5th grade math to anyone.
No. It's been
we trade off that.
Yeah, no. It's been good.
So many Zooms.
I mean, sometimes we'll just Zoom each other from the bedroom
because
we love it so much.
No. No more Zooms.
No more Zooms.
No more Zooms.
We're so sick of them.
Okay, so here's the thing. Josh has been baking and you've been getting really creative. You've been trying to work with what we already have in our pantry. We ran out of flour at one point.
Yeah.
We couldn't get flour.
Yeah, it's been, challenging to get some of the staples, as most of you know. Like, I mean, we haven't been able to get any yeast whatsoever to make bread or
so
anything.
many people are making bread.
Which is great.
That's great. We see you all making bread. We want to make bread. We don't have any yeast.
No, but I've been making, actually one of the most popular recipes so far has been these no-bake peanut butter pretzel bars. And there's no flour, no eggs, no oven.
You guys, they're so good. We'll put the recipe here. Also, you made Easter cake pops, but you used a mix.
I did.
He used a cake mix.
I did, which is okay. It's okay to use
I always use a cake mix.
They actually taste good.
Yes, but you were trying to save flour, so you used a mix.
And we had some mix. Someone bought some mix, so we had some, so I used it.
All right. So what are we making today?
Okay, today, so because the pretzel bars were so popular, I have pretzel on the brain,
Yeah, you were like, what else can I do with pretzels?
Totally. So I decided to make cookies with pretzels. And so these are salted chocolate chip oatmeal pretzel cookies.
Rolls off the tongue.
Oh yeah.
But here's the thing, I love them because it's that thing that I love, which is sweet and salty.
I know.
Sweet and salt. I love it.
I mean, you make the cookie and then at the end you sprinkle this coarse sea salt on top and I mean, come on.
Come on, put a pretzel in it. Come on. I don't know what we're doing. I don't know what that accent is.
Okay, so here are the ingredients. I know, look at this.
I didn't notice you were.
My office lady's mug.
Thanks, babe.
Great podcast. You guys should check it out. Yeah, already.
I did not ask him to do that. I did not. That was very sweet.
Yeah. All right, so here are the ingredients you're gonna need for the cookies.
Here we go. Let's do it.
Let's get going here.
Let's do it.
So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your flour and put it into a bowl. All right, then we're gonna take the baking soda, the baking powder, the cinnamon, and the salt. We're just going to whisk this together.
Mix the dry ingredients.
Yep.
See, I've learned.
I know.
I've learned stuff. You have to give me one job though.
I'm gonna give you a job.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you a job.
Give me a job.
Look cute.
Give me a job. Hey.
Too late. You're already doing it.
Stop it.
Okay, so we're gonna set this aside. You want a job?
Yes.
All right. Grab that mixer. Cream the butter. All right. I'm gonna take the softened butter and put it into our mixing bowl.
I was gonna try to turn this on to like do a joke, but I can't figure it out.
You just gotta flip that switch. Yay! There we go. So go ahead and cream the butter.
Cream the butter. Okay. How do I turn it up? Okay.
Not that far.
Ah! Turn it off! Turn it off!
Oh my gosh.
Oh no!
No. You're fine. Just had it you had it one level too high.
I'm not good with like machinery, guys.
All right, so now we're gonna add the sugars, okay? So, you wanna cream this?
No, you should do it.
Here, come on, you do it.
All right, I'll
Don't be scared.
Okay, is that good?
Yeah, that looks great. Now I'm gonna add the eggs and the vanilla.
And I'm gonna mix?
I'll mix this time.
Okay.
Why not?
Okay.
We'll switch it up.
Okay.
So to make sure the eggs are really mixed together well, so now it's time to add the dry ingredients. So you can just go ahead and add all the dry ingredients at once.
Okay.
If you want to, or you can do it, a little bit at a time. I feel pretty confident with my mixing skills, so.
You should. They're very, very good.
I'll do it all at once.
They're very good.
Again, we're just gonna mix this until it's all combined. You can scrape down the edges when you need to.
I like how you said that to me. And you can scrape down the edges when you need to.
I mean, Angela, you can scrape down the edges when I need you to.
Ah!
Not while I'm mixing, silly.
Sorry. I've forgotten everything.
Jeez.
Right.
So now we're going to add the chocolate chips, the oatmeal, the pretzels, fold it all together, mix it all in, just like you would with the chocolate chip cookies. So the dough is all done, so now you just want to cover it and you want to put it in the refrigerator for about an hour before
Let it chill.
Let it chill. Okay. All right, so our dough is chilled and ready to go, and about 5 minutes before I got the dough out, Angela preheated the oven to 350 degrees. So we're almost there. All right, so we'll go ahead and scoop this out. I'm using this nice little cookie scoop, but you can just use a spoon or whatever.
Until we met, I only ever used a spoon, and then I didn't know what that was. I thought it was an ice cream scooper for like the smallest ice cream ever. And he was like, no, it's a cookie scooper.
Yeah, it's nice because it kind of makes all your cookies about the same size.
He loves presentation, you guys.
No,
He loves presentation. I'm suppressing the urge so badly to just pick and eat off one. I'm not doing it. Aren't you proud of me?
I actually am proud of you. You only have to wait like 12 minutes for these cookies.
Too long.
All right, so let's see. Our oven's preheated, so.
Okay. There you go. All right, we'll see you guys in 10 to 12 minutes. All right, so once your cookies are done, take them out of the oven, and if you want to get fancy,
you can add little pieces of the pretzel and extra chocolate chips, and that just gives the cookies a little bit of extra flair, like a pop. And the finishing touch, which is probably my favorite garnish, is to take some coarse sea salt and sprinkle it on the top. All right, they're done. I mean, look how great they turned out.
Look at that.
Yep. And you can see I added the extra pretzel,
on
chocolate
top.
chip on top, and the salt. Oh.
Can I eat it? Can I eat it?
Yes.
Yay. Oh my God, that was so good.
You see all the different textures, right? Mm-hmm. Like crunchy and chewy and
That's what I was gonna say.
and salty and sweet. It's perfect.
We hope you guys are staying safe. We're sending you all of our love, and we'll try to do some more videos when we get a chance between.
we will try.
For this recipe and the other ones that Josh has been baking while we're here at home, go to bakingwithjoshandange.com.
And you can also see recipes on our Instagram at Baking with Josh and Ange.
And thank you for sending us in photos when you make them and tagging us.
We love it.
We love seeing it. So thanks so much.
So many.
I know.
It's
it makes us so happy. All right, take care.
All right, bye guys. All right, let's get started. I like that.
Yeah, it scared me though.
All right, pay attention, class.
Okay, stop it.
It's time for homeschooling baking 101.
Stop.
Next quarantine, we're gonna be.
Don't say next quarantine.
We're gonna have a beautician with us.
No more quarantine. No more. Let's get through it. We have been home for a while, so sorry. This video might be a little clunky.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Coffee, tea to wine. That's pretty much our night. If I took my head off right now, you would be shocked.
It is a delight. I will say that. Every morning I'm like, hey. Oh wait, one of the kids is waving at me. One second.
All right. We could just set up the computer and you could Zoom me.